So here we are, another day of documenting my progress after falling off the allergy bandwagon. My purpose is to create these videos so that I can hold myself accountable and provide tricks and time-saving tips as I learn them so that hopefully I can help somebody else. Enjoy.
For starters, my husband really wanted me to make him his favorite meal, which is beans and what we call in our Spanish culture dumplings or dumplines, which are highly gluten because they're pure flour, and they're so awesome. Well, how do you cook a tempting meal for your family without breaking your own diet? I don't think there's any easy way, except I can think of one word: plan. Plan, plan, plan. This meal is so tempting for, especially if you're allergic to gluten, you tend to gravitate towards breads. And so the only way that I knew how to avoid being tempted was to eat what I could eat from the meal, which were the beans. I made myself some quinoa that I had pulled out of the freezer, added some avocados, enjoyed my meal, got really nice and full, then cooked my husband's meal the rest of the way, watched him enjoy his meal. We got rid of the leftovers as soon as possible, and I sent lunch with him the next day so that I wouldn't have to look at the yummy dumplings in my refrigerator. And I was able to actually succeed. Big test to pass. Whew. How to succeed having to cook a double meal. Number 1, choose what you can eat. Number 2, supplement your own meal. Number 3, sit down and enjoy your meal to the fullest before finishing the cooking. Number 4, get rid of the food as soon as possible. Watch your family enjoy their meal and then pack lunches and send it away, far away from your refrigerator.
I hope you got something out of today's video. Remember, before you make any dietary or exercise changes, you really should consult your doctor. I am not a doctor. I am not a nutritionist. I am simply sharing my story because I need to hold myself accountable and I need to stay on track to stay healthy. Any products that I may share is because I use them myself, not because it is my intention to endorse them or to promote them. Anyway, till next time, see you next time. Johnny, peace out.